India stands proudly as the world's third largest domestic civil aviation market, reflecting the rapid growth of the sector. Civil Aviation Secretary Samir Kumar Sinha said that the country's aircraft fleet has more than doubled from 395 in 2014 to 844 by 2025. He was speaking at a seminar organized by the Director General of Civil Aviation under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. He said that over the past decade, passenger traffic within the country has grown at an impressive average rate of 9% annually, while cargo volume has risen by 2.9%. Mr. Sinha underscored that safety is not a fixed destination but an ongoing journey demanding vigilance, compliance, and accountability. Through examples, he illustrated critical safety concerns which resonated strongly with the audience and reinforced the collective responsibility of maintaining a secure aviation environment. The event featured 3 technical sessions addressing safety challenges, namely runway incursion, positive safety culture in aviation, and maintenance error. Such sessions brought together experts from both regulatory and industry domains to discuss root causes, share best practices, and propose mitigation strategies. The emphasis was placed on the importance of proactive, risk-based approach to safety management supported by continuous learning and cross-sector collaboration. The report News Now.